Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a really quick tips and tricks video on how to go from day to night makeup. So this is very neutral makeup. This is what I would wear to work, something casual. I don't have anything in my eyes except for bronzer and just like a normal nude lip. And this is for if you're at work and you've had like a super long day and you have to go out to dinner or maybe go on a date right after work, you don't have time to go home and you need to spruce up in the restroom, then this is what I would do. So if you want to see this video, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, my makeup looks pretty fresh right now, but if for whatever reason you're feeling a little oily or a little shiny, go ahead and take an oil shine sheet. I like the clean and clear ones, and go ahead and pat down the center of your face. And then if you have like a powder or something that you want to use to put over it, go ahead and do that. But I'm talking like, what can you do if you only have like 5 minutes and you really want to change your look and amp it up? So the first thing I would do is keep these two products in my purse. This is a liner that is dual-ended, so you have a liquid on one end and a pencil, so that's great. And then a bold colored lipstick. This is one of my favorites. It's called Lady Danger from MAC. This is a really, really fun color. And I think that whenever you're going out at night, sometimes having like a really bold lip just makes you feel more lively, and it kind of changes your entire makeup look. So this is what I would do. If I needed to get ready really fast, I would go ahead and take the pencil end of my liner and I would tight line my eyes. So that means starting right here. It's gonna look so gross when I do this, but it adds like a little bit of thickness. Same thing on your bottom eye. Add that. It just adds a little bit of smokiness to your eye. Literally no one looks cute putting on eyeliner. Okay, so another thing I would do if it was available to me, obviously you're not gonna keep like an entire eyeshadow palette in your purse. It's just like, unless you do, then I would definitely add like a darker color in the crease. But if you don't have time for that, then what I would do is I would take that same pen and I would add a winged line. So this is a bit of a bold move if you're trying to do it in a hurry, but wing liner can take your look from very casual to a little bit more amped up. So I would just add a wing liner, so wish me luck. Normally what I do is I start from like the edge of my eye to my eyebrow, and depending on where you're going, you can make this as intense or not as intense as you would like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a cute little wing over here, making it a little bit thicker than normal. Making sure I flick it out. When in doubt, flick it out. So already, just from doing that, we've already taken the eyes to like another place, just being a little bit more fancy, and it looks like you spent a lot more time on your makeup than you probably actually did. And just do the same thing to the other eye. Or if you're brave, do something completely different and draw like a star. Perfect, those look pretty even. So that is a super easy way to take your eye makeup and just amp it up a little bit. Now that is kind of hard to do with mascara on, to add a wing line. Something else you can do if you're brave, you can take, if you want it to be just like a little bit more smoky and you don't have a color, take that pencil on one end and kind of run it underneath your eyes like that, and while it's still wet, take your finger and smudge it out. Just to add a little bit of smokiness. To your lower lash line. See, look at that, you're already well on your way. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so once you've smoked that out with your finger, obviously you can just wash your hand off. I just think that it adds, like, it just makes your eyes look smoky and a little bit more, not a little bit more, but like a lot more intense, and it makes it look like you actually have eye makeup on, like you did something different. If you have eyeshadow with you, I would add a darker color in the crease and maybe some gold on the lid if you have it, but we're assuming that you don't have any of those products and you literally just have eyeliner in your purse. The next thing I would do is go ahead and change your lip color. So I'm just gonna take this off. Just this nice nude. And then I don't even have a lip liner. I'm gonna go in with this color. I really enjoy this color without a lip liner, but you can definitely do one with it. It doesn't really matter, it depends how much product you wanna carry. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Now I've added this, made my lips look very bright, and I feel like this just looks totally different. Like, honestly, it looks like a different day's makeup. You've got this like grungy, smoky cat eye, some wing liner. Now that I'm looking at it, my blush is a little strong for this look, so if you have a powder brush with you, you can go ahead and tone that down a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, this is a totally different look. You've got a cat eye going on, something smoky on the lower lash line, bold red lip. I feel like even if you just added the red lip and you didn't do the cat eye, it turns into a totally different look, makes you feel like a different person, and it's just a nice little way to get ready for a night out. The other thing I would do is maybe change your hair up from work. If you just had it down the entire time, you could put it in like a cute little ponytail, or if you had a ponytail, vice versa, just to make it look a little bit more, I don't know, intense. Or you could pull it half up. Sometimes pulling your hair half up makes it look like you spent a lot more time on it than you did. Something easy to do is take those front creases in your hair down to like your ear and twist it. Yeah, there you go. Twist it, pull it back, and do the same thing on the other side. This is nothing obviously too intense or like methodical. I definitely didn't think this out for a long time. And take a little clip, or if you have like some bobby pins in your purse, and just go ahead and add that. We'll put a little bit more in the front, put a little bit down. Okay, and then that kind of changes your hair to something different. So if you're like seeing people that you had seen at work and they're like, oh, did you go home and change? You're like, no, I just got a little spruced up at work. Yeah, so this is basically what I would do if I had to get ready at work and I needed to make my hair and makeup look a little bit more just amped up and ready for nighttime. This is exactly what I would do. And I only used 2 products, and this is really easy to keep in your bag all the time for literally any occasion. So that completes this video, and now I'm completely ready for the nighttime. I can go to dinner, I can go out, I can go to a show, and I'm totally ready for it. And I only used 2 products that are super easy to carry in your purse, and you can do this with any color, any liner. You could even do a fun, if you had like a metallic copper liner, that would actually be really cool, especially when you smudged it. I like that idea. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications anytime I post a new video. Send an email to you just to let you know that I've posted, and you can come on over and watch it. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.